Morning, children. Mute your microphone, all of you. Welcome back after 2 days of holidays. Hope you are doing well, all of you. Hope you have had your breakfast. Sit straight, all of you. Myself, Anu Matthew, your mathematics teacher. We are going to have a maths session first. Today onwards, we are having only 2 sessions. Are you ready with your maths notebook, textbook, pencil, pen, everything? Okay, we'll start. So in the last class, what we discussed? The last class we discussed how to compare the numbers. Do you remember how to compare the numbers? Did you complete your notes and homeworks? I hope all completed your notes and homeworks. I'll tell date of submission. That day you have to submit. Your respective subject maths teachers will tell the date, and that date and on that days you have to submit your maths notebook. But ready with your maths notebook to complete your maths homework and classwork regularly. Okay. So in the last class we discussed how to compare the numbers. We compare the numbers by using 2 rules. Which are the 2 rules we comparing numbers we use to compare the numbers? Which are the 2 rules? If we have 2 numbers, once just as a revision I'll tell how to compare the numbers. If we have 2 numbers, okay, how to compare 2 numbers? So if we have 2 numbers 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 6 and so in these 2 cases, I know you all know this one. We have to, first thing is we have to count the number of digits. We have to count the number of digits. In the first number we have only 6 digits, but in the second number we have 7 digits. So you can compare what is the first rule? First count the number of digits, and the number having more digits is the greater one. And you have to put the symbol towards the bigger one for the greater number. Next process is if we have 3 again, in this case, in the next question, if we have 2 numbers having the same number of digits, the first one we have 4 digits, and the second one also in the first one we have 7 digits, and in the second one also we have 7 digits. So the first rule we cannot apply here, so we'll move to the second rule. What is the second rule? If 2 numbers are having the same number of digits, then what we have to do? We have to compare the digits from the leftmost position. Which are the digits in the leftmost position? Here the digit in the leftmost position in both the numbers are 3. So since both are same, we cannot compare that to. Then we have to move to the next digit to the leftmost position. Which is the next digit? One is 4 and the other one is 3. So in this case, which is greater? 4 is when you compare the next digit in the leftmost position. When we compare, we have 4 and 3, and out of this 4 and 3, which digit is greater? 4 is greater, and in that case 34,32,176 is greater than 33,12,666. This is how we compare the numbers. Next, moving to comparing numbers itself. If we have more than 2 numbers, how will you arrange that numbers in ascending and descending order? Ascending. Today's section is ascending and descending order. You all learn ascending order and descending order. First we will do with ascending order. What do you mean by ascending order? Ascending order means arranging the numbers from smaller to bigger. Ascending means it is moving from small to big. Ascending is small to big. So if we have to compare numbers, more than 2 numbers, and they have to arrange in, if they have to arrange in ascending order, how will we do? In that case also the same process we have to check. So we'll do with an example. First example. The slash is used to separate 2 numbers. Okay, can you see this? Can you read these numbers? There are 4 numbers I have written here separated by slash. First one is 23,31,143. Second number is 13,14,676. Next one is 1,49,16,111. And the last number is 13,14,171. So in this case, how will you arrange in these numbers, these 4 numbers in ascending order? Ascending order means we have to first find out the smaller one. So from these 4 numbers, how will you find out the smaller one? We have to count the number. The first process is count the number of digits in all the numbers. Here we have, in this one we have 7 digits are here. Here also we have 7 digits. Here we have 8 digits, and this one we have 7 digits. So in this, the smaller number will have 7 digits. But here, listen children, we have 3 numbers with 7 digits. So if 2 numbers are having the same number of digits, what we have to do? We have to compare from the leftmost position. So in these 3 numbers, comparing these 3 numbers, we have to compare the leftmost digit. We have to compare the leftmost digit. So in all the 3 numbers, we have to compare the leftmost digit. Is that clear? We have to compare the left. First we count the number of digits, and the number with smaller number of digits is the smallest one. But in this case, we have 3 numbers having 7 digits. So in that case, what we have to do? We have to compare from the leftmost digit. So which is the leftmost digit in all the 3 numbers? Here is 2, here is 1, and here the third number is also 1. Now the next process is we have to compare the leftmost digit means, and the smaller one is the smallest number. But in this case also again confusion comes, because this second number and the last number have 1 as the leftmost digit. So in that case, what we have to do? Now we have to compare these 2 numbers. So we need to compare that 2 numbers. We need to compare that 2 numbers to find out the smallest one. Okay, in that case, coming to the second position. So in this case, again, we have 2 numbers with same digits in the leftmost position. So comparing these 2 numbers again, coming to the next digit from the leftmost position. That also have 3 at the second position. So in that case, what we have to do? We have to move to the next digit. Again, that digit also have 1 in the next position. See, in that two numbers, we count the number of digits, found the numbers having the smaller number of digits, then compare that three numbers. Out of that three numbers, we sort out two numbers having the same digits at the leftmost position. Again, comparing that two numbers like last day's comparison, we have to move to the comparison like last year. How will you compare? Starting from the leftmost position, 1 is there in the leftmost position. Then second leftmost position, that is 3. Now go to the next digit, again that is 1. Going to the next digit, it is 4. So we have to move to when you compare these two numbers, we have to move to the digit in the hundreds place which are different. So digits in the hundreds place, in one number it is 6 and in the other number it is 1. So which one is smaller? 1 is smaller. So we found the first number in this ascending order. Which is the first number? 13,14,171. Then you already know, then definitely the next number will be 13,14,676. So we got two numbers in this ascending order. Out of this, 13,14,171 is the smallest. Then comes the next number is 13,14,676. Now we know the third number definitely will be the first 23 lakh, because these three numbers have 7 digits. So out of these three numbers, we already got two numbers in this ascending order. So definitely the third number will be 23,31,143. Is that clear? Now we have one more number, and that number definitely will be the greatest number, which is 1,16,111. Is that clear, all of you? Same process we are doing here in ascending order. What is the process we are doing here? We have to arrange the number in ascending order, means we have to arrange from small to big. Since we have 4 numbers to compare, we have first step here is, remember, the first step here is you have to count the number of digits in each number. When you count the number of digits in each number, the number having the smaller number of digits is the smallest one. Okay, but when you have more numbers having same number of digits, what we have to do? We have to compare that numbers from the leftmost position onwards. And thereby we will get the numbers in ascending order. Is that clear, all of you? So next, one more question we will do, and that question I will ask to one of you. Okay, this is the next question. So I'll ask question to one of you. You can unmute, that student can unmute your microphone and give the answer. Please switch on your videos, all of you. Switch on your videos. Arshia of 5B. Arshia, can you switch on your video? I want to see you. Arshia, good morning. Arshia, tell me. Hello, Arshia. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Can you, what do you mean by ascending order, Arshia? Arranging numbers in? Arshia, I have to see your face. Okay, tell me, Arshia, tell me. Arshia, ascending order means? Arshia, speak out. Speak loudly. Very good. It is smaller to bigger. So, how can you find out the smallest number in these 4 numbers? Smallest number. Is anyone helping you? Your mom is helping you? Okay, Arshia, give me the answer. Fast, fast. Give me the answer. Which is the smaller one, Arshia? 7? 7 lakh. That is that 34,000. Is that the smaller one? So we have, okay Arshia, listen here. How many digits are here in this one? 6 digits. Here we have 7 digits. Here we have how many digits? 7 digits. And here we have 6 digits. Arshia, can you hear me? So 6 digits, 2 numbers are having 6 digits. Out of this, which one is the smaller one? 7 lakh. 7 lakh? Very good. 32,000, because we have to compare the digits from the leftmost position. Here is 7,32,476. Okay, then what is the next number? 7,34,100. Very good, very good. Now, can you tell me the next one? Now we will move to the next two numbers, isn't it? Which having 7 digits. Out of this, which is the small? That is easy to find out. Which is the smaller one? 26 lakh. Very good. 74,000. Very good. 321. And last number is, you all know, what is the last number? 32 lakh. 47,100. Very good, Asha. Very good. Okay, thank you. You can mute your microphone. Mute your microphone all. Okay. Now, so I think you understood how to arrange the numbers in ascending order. Now we will move to the next one is descending order. D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Descending order. Descending order. What do you mean by descending order? Please mute your microphone. Descending order. You know what is ascending order? Ascending order is from ascending order is from small to big, descending order is from big to small. Descending order is from big to small. When the question is come for the exams, we have seen some mistakes in some students. Instead of ascending, they wrote ascending, or when question is asked for ascending, some students will write descending, some in the other way also. So please clear that descending is from big to small. From big to small is descending and ascending is from small to big. So, like ascending order, we have to compare the descending order. In that case, we have to find out the bigger number first. We have to find out the bigger number first. Okay, so we'll move to some questions. I'll write some questions. Okay, I wrote 4 numbers here, 37 lakh 14,321, 3 crore 14 lakh 72,000, 4 lakh 72,000, 85 lakh 16,800. To arrange this in descending order, first of all we have to find out the bigger number. How will you find out the bigger number? First we have to count the number of digits. We have to count the number of digits, and the number having more digits is the greater one. Again, if more than one number is having the same number of digits, then what we have to do? We have to compare the digits from the leftmost position. So, in descending order, first of all, we have to find out the bigger number. So, I wrote one question. I think you understood what is descending order and what is ascending order. And the same process we are using in descending order as we use in ascending order. So, I think you can give the answer. You can tell the answer. I'll ask Jonisha Joy. Adishankar, please active your window. Adishankar. Jonisha Joy, please mute your micro. Okay, Jonisha, can you give the answer for this one? Jonisha of 5C, Jonisha 5C. Descending order, you all know what is descending order. Jonisha, can you hear me, Jonisha? Jonisha, hello? Okay, Jonisha, speak loudly. Hello? Jonisha, I can't hear you. Jonisha, speak loudly. Speak loudly. We have to hear. Jonisha? Hello? Jonisha, I can't hear you, so can I move to another person? Abu Saran of 5B. Abu Saran raised his hands. Please, Abu Saran, can you give the answer? Abu Saran. Jonisha, can you hear me, Jonisha? Hello? Jonisha, tell me the answer. Jonisha, speak loudly. Keep your microphone towards your mouth and speak loudly. Jonisha, tell me the answer. I want to get the answer from you. Good morning, Jonisha. Tell me the answer. Speak loudly, Jonisha. The answer is, okay, you have to find out which number, small number or bigger number? Bigger number. Okay, which is the bigger number? First of all, you have to count the number of digits in each number. Wait. You have to explain to the other students also. Okay, with the help of you can explain. So first of all, what you have to do? You have to count the number of digits. Digits. How many digits are here? Here we have 7 digits. here we have 8 digits, here we have 6 digits, and here we have 7 digits. Okay, this is the first. Okay, Jonisha, tell me which number will be the greatest one? Very good, 3 crore, 14 lakh, 72,000. 72,000 is the bigger one. I think you all understood. Jonisha is telling the answer. Are you hearing, all of you? Now coming to the next second number in this group, which is the next bigger number. Okay, that you have to we have to find from the numbers having 7 digits. Out of this, which is the bigger one? Janisha, tell me which is the bigger one? 85 lakh, 16,800. So we have to compare the digits in the leftmost position. One is 3 and one is 8. So out of which is bigger? It is 85 lakh, 16,800. Then which is the next bigger one, the next number? So we wrote the biggest one at 37 lakh, 14,000, yes, 321. Clear, all of you? And now the last number is very easy. You can write the last one is, smallest one is 4,72,100. Is that clear, all of you? Thank you, Janisha. Very good, very good. Thank you. Now you can mute your microphone. We'll move to another question. One more question we will do. Okay. Arush and Ayushi of 5C. Can you tell me the answer? Arush and Ayushi of 5C. Can you mute your microphone, Arush? Okay. Arush, and both you are twins? Oh, so who is going to give the answer? Ayushi. Okay. Ayushi, can you give the answer? So can you explain this, how to find out this, how to arrange in ascending order to your friends also? All friends are hearing. Not in descending order. We have to give the answer in descending order. The question is, have to write in descending order. Here in descending order we have, first of all, what's the first step, Ayush? Tell me. Okay, very good. So in the first one we have 7 digits here. Here we have 6 digits. Next we have 7. And the last one we have 6 digits. So the bigger number is having 7 digits. Isn't it? Okay, which one is the bigger one? 13 lakh. 74,000. Very good. Because you compare the digits, since two numbers are having 7 digits, so you compare from the leftmost position. So in that case, the third number is the bigger one. So definitely you can write the next bigger one, which is that? Tell me. 13 lakh. 47,666. Now the other person, can you, Arushi, can you tell me the next 2 digits, next 2 numbers? 7. We have 2 numbers having 6 digits. So which is the bigger one? We are writing in descending order, not in ascending order. So 9 lakh. So you have to compare the digits, and this one is 7 and this is 9. So which is bigger? 9 is bigger. So we have 9 lakh 12,111. And what is the last one? 7 lakh 21,341. Thank you, both of you. Have very good. Thank you. Can mute your microphone. Fine. Okay, so I think you understood how to write in ascending and descending order. So in that, writing ascending and descending order, there's no exercise questions is there. In the exercise, there are no questions. But I gave I think you all wrote the answers which I have written on the board, and also in the class notebook. When I give you notes, I will give some questions in ascending and descending order. The next one is just we have only 5 more minutes, but we will just introduce the next portion, that is making number from the given digits. We have to make smallest and biggest number. Making numbers using given digits. Numbers using given digits. Given digits. This also you learned last year, making numbers using given digits. Okay. First of all, I'll give one question. If I have 5 digits is given, 3, 7, 5, 1, 4. If 5 digits are given, how will you find out the greatest number from these digits? Greatest number from these digits. We can find out the greatest number from these digits. Greatest number will have the greatest digit at the leftmost position. So which is the greatest digit here? 7 is the greatest digit. Now the next greatest digit comes as the next digit, which is 5. So 5 is the next greatest digit. Then coming, you have to write to find out the greatest number, you have to arrange the digits in descending order. You have to arrange the digits in descending order. Make sure that to find out the greatest number from the given digits. If 5 digits are given, to find out the greatest number, we have to arrange the digits in what? Descending order. So the first descending order, when you arrange, it is 7, then comes 5, then comes 4, 3, 1. So when you write this number, we are making the digits are given, but we are making number from the digits. So when digits are given, they are separated by commas, but when you write the number, you have to put commas according to the place value chart. So when you put the commas, you have to write. You cannot put commas after each digit. If you put commas after each digit, then that is wrong. Here we have to find out the greatest number, we have to arrange in descending order and put the comma according to the place value chart. Again, the smallest number, which is the smallest number you can form from this one, which is the smallest number. To get the smallest number have the smallest digit at the first position. So you have to identify the smallest digit. That means you have to arrange in ascending order. So in this case, we have to arrange the digits in descending order, but to make the smallest number, we have to arrange the digits in ascending order and put the commas according to the place value chart. So the number in this is in ascending order. Okay, so the greatest number from these 5 digits is 75,431 and the smallest number is 13,450. 57. Okay? So in the next class also I will explain, because I will explain more examples on this, in this concept. Don't think that I'm going to stop this topic today. By today we will do some more questions which numbers having zeros. All we will do in the next class. Hope you all understood. Very little portion we learned today, only to arrange in ascending and descending order and to make the numbers using the given digits. Hope you understood. I'll give the notes. Please write the notes today itself. Do the homework. If homework is there, do the homework and submit when the teachers are telling you to when to submit. Thank you and have a nice day.